In this video, we'll talk about a 3-month study plan for the CAT exam. Yeah, so if you're starting today or you just already have done all the topic, let's revise all the topic in the next 3 months. So for the first 2 months, we're going to cover up all syllabus, complete syllabus, and the last 1 month, which is November ka month, we'll talk about the advanced level. We'll talk about the marathon workshops. So that's the plan, study plan from the CAT exam point of view. So weekday, normally Monday is always light. I always keep light. So we are looking at the non-CAT exam as well, because we have to plan our study for IFT, symbiosis, all the other exams as well. So Monday is for the non-CAT exam. Then Tuesday to Friday is purely talking about the CAT topics at a level which is comparatively thoda sa easy as compared to the actual CAT level. Then Saturday, Sunday, we look at the advanced level workshops. Yeah. So same way, in case you want to join a program, we are launching this crash course for the CAT exam and the other exams as well. So that is number one option. You can join us or just follow this timetable. Just take a screenshot of this or go to our page cetking.com/weekly. You can download the complete table. Yeah. This is your study plan for the next few months. Yeah, if you can follow this plan, we are sorted. This is you have a very good chance to get the IIM call starting today as well. If you follow this plan, I'll make a dedicated video as well. We'll take a strategy workshop. I'll take on this topic, so that you can also attend. So how the things are will work at CET King is that foundation. For example, let's talk about the quant based DI. So foundation level and advanced level quant based DI we are taking at 7 p.m. every Wednesday, and 8 p.m. will be the advanced lecture. Yeah. So this is what I'm covering up on day 1. Next day we'll have a test also same day. So that is day 1. Day 2 we'll have a practice session on the actual CAT questions. Yeah. Day 2. Then on weekend, we'll have the DALR quant based workshops. You can only join us for the workshop. You can only join us for the basic and workshop, whichever plan you want to join. Only books, only mocks you can join by just calling the number given here. Yeah, just call any of the numbers which are given in the starting of this page, and that is more than sufficient for your exam preparation. Yeah, so this is your study timetable. You can just follow this timetable. This cover up almost all the topics which are coming in the CAT and the non-CAT exams as well. Yeah. All the best.